everyone. Have a good day. We have saw some English vocabulary. So this is a new one. We are going to have another section. This is session number 6. If anyone was watching this video newly, I recommend to watch the subsequence of the this one vocabularies, so that if you learn at least 10 words for a day or for a week, it will be very useful for you to improve your English, because English is validated by your how we are using the words. So before I'm starting the video, I like everyone to be subscribe the channel and click the bell button nearby, so that we will follow you. So today thoughts is language is expression of our thoughts. When our thoughts are clear, definitely our life will be clear. So the from this today thought, you can understand that how language is more important to us. So we have to be express our thoughts in very good manner, in appropriate manner. Then only the other people can easily understand, and so that our life will also be a good. So we'll go for the today class. Today the first letter is the meaning of first letter. Sorry, we have left that.
Refute.
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 The prove to be wrong or false. If anything is wrong, their claims as not being convincingly refused.
Refute.
That means the claim is which we are refuse claim has not be convincingly refused. So how if it's anything is wrong, we need to prove. For that, this vocabulary we are to use in Tamil, tarpana. So we will go for second word.
Draconian. Draconian.
Draconian.
Draconian.
Draconian.
Draconian.
Draconian is a meaning of expressly harsh and reverse. So if any situation is coming, or you want to be expressed with the someone was very expressly harsh and severe, that time you can use this
Draconian.
word Draconian. So in Tamil, Kodumiyaga. So a third word we will see. Stabilize. Stabilize. Make or become unlike to give a way or overturn. Stabilize. So stabilize is where we can use this word is the emergency program designed to stabilize the economy. If something is not in good form, we need to be make it a stable one. That time you need to use this stabilize. So in Tamil you can say நிலைப்படுத்துவதற்கு. So one which is used to make standard one. So that is a word we need, that time you need to use the vocabulary stabilize.
Impunity. Impunity.
Impurity.
Impunity.
Exception from punish. That is, if something you want exception from some punishment, that time you can use this vocabulary as impunity.
impunity,
In Tamil, we can தண்டனையிலிருந்து தண்டனையிலிருந்து. So something which you are taking away from some person. So next we are going to see
enthrall, enthrall, enthrall,
enthrall.
enthrall,
Enthrall.
enthrall,
The capture the fascinated attention of. The word how we can use this vocabulary. She has been so enthralled by adventure that she had hardly noticed the cold. So he is very fascinated. She was very she has been so enthralled by adventure. So it means that someone was very fascinated,
enthrall,
enthralled by the adventure. So we can pick, sometimes you can tell, right, I'm very enthralled by seeing action movie. So we are very fascinating of attending to seeing that uh, action movie like that. So that place we can use this vocabulary. Kavarchial. So the something which is attractive, making something attractive. So next vocabulary is
rejuvenate, rejuvenate, rejuvenate,
rejuvenate. Make look or feel better, young or more vital. So
rejuvenate,
rejuvenate is a thing that if someone was want to be very young, look very young, it will talk about the personal look. If someone was feel very better and looking young, yeah, that place and all we can use the
rejuvenate,
rejuvenate. So that is how we can use the bit of vision at that town center. So you can feel something better and something looking good in that place and all we can use it.
rejuvenate,
That's why the bit of vision at that town center. In town center, a bit is very look good. Puttarichi. So some refreshness. So next word we are going to use is
ponderous, ponderous,
ponderous.
ponderous, ponderous,
Slow and clumsy because of great weight. So if you're carrying
ponderous,
something heavy weight and you're struggling to move from from one place to another place, yeah, that time we can use this vocabulary.
ponderous,
Swasti ponders the giant of a man. Because Swati ponders the giant of man. So some giant of because of giant of man, he was very slow and clumsy because of that weight. So and another thing also we can say the show is loaded down with ponderous on liner. So heavy, it's going slow with a heavy weight. In Tamil we can say Ganamaga. So next word is
consist, consist, consist,
consist is nothing but to compose or make it up. The the cruise consists of five men. So it consists means something. It's going to be be going always a normal consistent way. That is they are giving result in consistent way. That's why the cruises consist of 5 men. The 5 men is a common is a thing of 5 men will not be changed consistently. The 5 men will be there. So which is not changing and it will be there forever. Kondirkum. In Tamil we can say Kondirkum.
emphasize, emphasize,
Emphasize is a word where we can use is something which is important, which giving special important or value of in to speaking something or writing. So if something you are giving important to someone or some important things, that place you can use this word emphasize.
emphasize,
So they emphasize the needs for daily one-to-one contact between the parents and child. So they will give an importance to needs of daily. So the in this sentence we can understand that the parents one-to-one contact will be the will they will give the importance for the parents and child one-to-one meeting daily for their needs what they want. So if anything was important, then we need to use this emphasis.
accustomed, accustomed,
Custom is usual. So in Tamil we can say Palakamaga. So custom is a practice, what we are doing daily ways. That is a custom. So in
saturated,
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 holding as much water or moisture can be absorbed throatly soaking. So something is soaking for throatly. So the mass of saturation air decreased in temperature as it raises the atmosphere. So the saturation that air was decreasing is continuously is decreasing from in temperature, decreasing in temperature as it rise of atmosphere. So atmosphere making the air to saturated one thing, that is we are saturating means it's standing in one same thing for a long time. In Tamil we can say நிறைவுற்ற. So today we have completed the words. What are the new vocabulary we have seen? We can recap that. Just I need to be to understand to make a small recap.
refute,
Refute is nothing but it's refute. Its meaning of prove to be wrong. If something is wrong, we need to be proof that is wrong. That is refute.
draconian,
Draconian is excessively harsh and serve. Something is very hard, then the vocabulary we can use is draconian. Stabilize is making or become unusual to give a way or overturn.
impunity,
Impunity is exceptional from punish. If someone was escaped from the punish means that time that is a that time we need to use this vocabulary as impunity.
enthrall,
Enthol, capturing the passionate attention. If something we are looking and we are attracted by seeing that, then it's enthol.
rejuvenate,
Rejuvenate, rejuvenate. It will be a freshness and become something looking better. So that then rejuvenous.
ponderous,
Ponderous is because of heavy weight. You are going slowly and clumsy. Then it's a ponderous.
consist,
Consist to compose or make it up, that is the making the thing as normal.
emphasize,
Emphasize its meaning of giving the important to the value or anything, something we are giving the important, then the vocabulary we need to use is emphasize.
accustomed,
Accustom is used for which is usually we are doing routine thing, that time we can use this custom.
saturated,
Saturated, it's something which is step, sorry, if something is which is stable for a long time, then we need can tell saturated.
saturated,
So I hope that today you have learned some vocabularies which is very useful for your daily uses. Please use these words in your communications while you speaking with office or someone else, to someone else. It will be very useful to to know more standard of your language. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you. I will come up with another set of words, vocabularies, and we will see in another videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.